Hello beauties, and welcome back to my channel where we put the B-U in beautiful. The past 3 weeks have just been very challenging for me. I've just been slacking regarding the gym and eating healthy. I don't know, I've just been in a funk. I don't want to go into too much detail.
Flashback.
And may the best man win. And the best man won.
And the best man won. End of flashback.
So yeah, that's what it is. But you want to know something? I'm proud of myself because, again, there used to be a time where I would go through something very sad and it would cause me to just slip for a year or two at a time. I'm proud of myself. I'm thankful for the little things, like the fact that I just threw on my clothes because I'm like, Summer, you've had enough downtime. It's time to hop back out there.
I gotta put me first.
Sorry, I keep looking at this bump right here because it's in such an awkward place. Like, why are you there? Okay, but back to the point. Yeah, I'm proud of myself because, listen, we all go through these periods in our lives, and you know, in order to overcome those periods, you really just have to get up and start moving, start doing again, get back into your routine and things that, you know, make you happy. Also pray about it, go to church, get some advice from people in your life who are wise and can counsel you in those areas. When I get to the gym, I'm actually going to do a weigh-in because I've let myself go, guys. I've let myself go. I'm also going to do a meal prep because, again, I've been slacking as regarding eating healthy. So I'm super excited, and thank you to the people who have been reaching out to me in the DMs like, girl, where have you been? I truly appreciate you. It makes me feel so good to have that support. I just feel loved. I love it. All right, babies, so welcome back. Let's get to it. Now, this is my first time back in the gym in a hot minute, so I have to wear this baggy hoodie because you cannot see this pudge, okay? But let's be very clear, this body is still very much tea, get with me. But it was so hard to get back into the swing of things. My muscles were literally hurting, but we're going to get back to where we used to be. I am doing my typical 12 reps per set. I'll be just working on a lot of various muscles during this workout, and I will be ending with cardio, so just stay tuned, babies. I did 4 sets of these, 12 reps per set, and let me tell you, my glutes were burning. This is one of my favorite workouts to target glutes. And also this Planet Fitness, they got new machines, new equipment. I think that's super awesome. So I really love this leg press as compared to the old one. This is the chest press. Again, my first set, I did about 15 to 20 reps just to activate my muscles. Then in my last 3 sets, I did 12 reps per set. Super effective. Do not neglect your chest, ladies. You just want to keep everything nice and tight. Oh, wait, wait, let me back this up. Okay, and then hold it. Do you see that I'm still snatched, period? Okay, continue. Let's go. Listen, I'm trying to tell y'all, get with these core exercises. Yeah, your girl hasn't been on her game in the last 3 weeks. Yeah, we know that, but did you see? Did you see that? Of course you did. I'm going to bring back another core series. You definitely want to hit those butterfly kicks, as you can see. Then we're going to hit some Russian twists with this 10-pound weight. Doing this combo is just chef's kiss. Listen, ladies. I'm not going to steer you wrong. Y'all saw that curvature. Get out of here. I used to be shaped like a refrigerator, period. But y'all saw what y'all saw. And this is real life. So, yeah, your girl slipped. Okay, I'll give you that. But, okay, I'm done. And I hit like 4 to 5 sets of each. And I ended this workout with 30 minutes of cardio with the incline. Now, I don't know about you, but flowers just bring me so much joy, and your girl might be sad, but that doesn't mean that I don't got people bringing me roses. Like, let's just be very clear. Let's just be very clear on things, okay? I'm so crazy. So yeah, I'm just, arranging my roses to just, lighten my mood. And I'm going to start meal prepping for the week. So I am a big fan of smoothies these days for breakfast, because when I wake up, I really don't feel like chewing. Like, hey, like my mouth is tired. Like I don't even feel like being up right now, and I want to sleep in. So what have I been doing? Drinking smoothies. So these berries are all of my fruit, period. I cleanse them with vinegar, soak them in a nice vinegar bath. And now I'm going to just put these in jars. Again, don't sleep on Dollar Tree. These jars were, I think, $1.25 each. Super amazing, super convenient. Ooh, okay, jar. You tried it. Anywho, so I'm just washing my fruit, putting them in the freezer. That way I can be nice and prepped in the AM. And I've been a big fan of bananas lately. These are some allegedly organic bananas, but you can never trust. We don't know what it is. That's why we say our grace. Thank you, Lord, for everything. You know all things, and you keep us safe. So these are some bananas. Popping these bad boys in the freezer as well, because I like all of my fruit in my smoothie to be frozen, because I don't like adding ice. but I still want my smoothie to be cold. So, yep. And guys, so I tried water in my smoothies and it still tastes amazing. I added my fruit, water, Greek yogurt, maple syrup, and it was chef's kiss. But I also do like to drink whole milk in my smoothies as well. And now we're moving on to the main course. So I boiled these sweet potatoes. I love the small sweet potatoes, by the way. I boiled these bad boys for 45 minutes. They came out amazing. And I also made a nice ground beef type of topping for it. And it was very simple. I just did ground beef, red pepper, onion, and all of my seasonings. If you want an in-depth video on that, just let me know. I plan on dropping a short video to that anyway. But this is just the perfect combo. Super nutritious for you as well. Sweet potatoes are high in fiber. Because you guys know that I like to use the restroom. I like a flat tummy, so this helps my stomach stay flat. So you're just going to put your sweet potato on the bottom and your ground beef mixture atop, or whatever protein you like to put. Just trust me on this. That ground beef mixture is top tier. And I also like to drizzle honey on there as well. You can also pair this meal with some sauteed kale, whatever tickles your fancy. But again, this is just a super easy, clean meal for my girls in their fitness journey. Okay, so that is it for this video. Again, thank you so much for rocking with me. Thank you so much for your encouraging words. We are in this together, and always remember, you are stronger than you think you are. We can do all things through Christ, which strengthens us. That is biblical, okay? And it is true. Speak positivity in your life and just know that you can do all things. Never think that you have to stay in a rut. Every day we wake up, we have new opportunity to learn and grow and accomplish goals that we set for ourselves. So never dig yourself into a hole. Never think that you're too far gone. You can always get back. You can always get back up again. Let me know in the comment section below any exercises you're interested in seeing. Oh, when I was watching Chicago PD, oh my goodness, season 12, episode 22, Voight is my boy. But anywho, I miss you so much. I'm looking forward to another core series. I'm looking forward to a glute series. And I'm just so looking forward to seeing tremendous gains this year. I'll see you next time. Bye, beautiful.